If you've been feeling emotionally exhausted from trying to hold everything together, this meditation is your permission to finally soften. Today, you'll reconnect with self-trust, inner peace, and the quiet reminder that you are already enough exactly as you are. Take a slow breath in and allow your body to settle. Close your eyes softly and take a deep, nourishing breath in. As you exhale, allow your entire body to loosen just a little more. Feel the muscles in your face relax. Let your shoulders melt downward naturally. There's nothing to prepare for right now, nothing demanding your attention. Only this moment. Only your breath. Notice the gentle support beneath you. The ground holding your body effortlessly. You do not need to carry the weight of the world for these next few minutes. You spend so much of your life thinking ahead, solving problems, remembering responsibilities, showing up for others even when you're tired. But right now, you're allowed to set all of that down. Imagine placing every worry into a soft, flowing river beside you. Each thought drifting away slowly, without resistance. Without needing to solve everything tonight. Now bring both hands gently over your heart. Feel the warmth beneath your palms. Notice the steady rhythm beating inside your chest. Your heart has remained with you through every season of your life. Through uncertainty, through healing, through moments no one else fully understood. And still, it beats. Faithfully, quietly, lovingly. Take a slow breath directly into your heart space. And as you breathe, imagine a warm, golden light glowing beneath your hands. Soft at first, gentle, comforting. With every inhale, this light grows brighter, expanding through your chest, your shoulders, your stomach, your entire body. This light carries compassion. It dissolves the exhausting pressure to constantly achieve, the pressure to always appear strong, the pressure to earn rest before allowing yourself to receive it. Breathe out deeply now and release the belief that you must be perfect to be worthy of love. You are not behind in life. You are unfolding in your own timing. Allow those words to settle gently into your body. You are unfolding in your own timing. Now imagine yourself walking into a peaceful open meadow at sunset. Tall golden grass sways softly around you. The sky glows with warm shades of amber, rose, and lavender. In the distance, you notice someone approaching. As they come closer, you realize it is you. A future version of yourself. This version of you carries a deep, calm presence. Their eyes are clear, their energy feels grounded. There's softness in the way they move. Ease, confidence, peace. They smile gently as they stand before you. And without speaking aloud, you can feel what they want you to know. You do not need to rush your becoming. Everything you are searching for is already growing inside you. Notice how this future version of yourself looks at you with complete understanding. No judgment, no disappointment, only compassion for everything you've survived and carried. They are proud of you for continuing, proud of you for learning, proud of you for trying again. And most of all, grateful that you are finally beginning to treat yourself with kindness. Take a deep breath now. and allow their calm energy to flow into your body. Feel self-trust growing within you. Steady, quiet, real. Now silently repeat these affirmations within your mind. I trust myself more each day. I release the need to control every outcome. I deserve peace without guilt. I am allowed to rest. I am becoming the person I was always meant to be. Take another slow breath. Feel your jaw soften. Relax the space between your eyebrows. Let your stomach unclench completely. There's nowhere else you need to be right now. You're safe. You're supported. You are enough in this moment exactly as you are. Allow yourself to simply rest here for a few breaths, held by stillness, held by your own presence. And when you are ready, begin gently returning your awareness back to the room around you. Notice the feeling of the air on your skin, the support beneath your body. Wiggle your fingers softly. Roll your shoulders if that feels good. And carry this feeling with you. You do not need to force your life to bloom overnight. Like the sunset, like the seasons, your transformation is unfolding naturally. Slowly open your eyes when you feel ready. Thank you for spending this time with BellyBreath. If this meditation helped you feel calmer, more grounded, or more connected to yourself, please consider liking the video, subscribing, and sharing it with someone who may need this moment of peace too. Until next time, breathe gently and take care of yourself.